A very warm welcome to the Altcoin of the day, and today we are seeing the crypto market being slaughtered. There's a severe and brutal sell-off going on, and the BTC dominance is ticking down actually towards 56%. It surprised me a little bit because many alts are being slashed down severely as well. Bitcoin is almost 5% down for the day, last 24 hours, 10,750. Ethereum touching the 400 level again, and also XRP is minus 4.7%. Polkadot is a good runner-up with a plus of 5.8%. And we see also Tron, a good, very nice increase of almost 30%. And Yearn, that is also very good runner-up with a plus of 30%. I've seen. It was in the top 30. Here it is, Yearn Finance. It's 12% higher. It's trading now around 32,000. It's quite a lot, I have to say, and the market cap is almost 1 billion. And let's take a look what will happen. And for now, I would like to say to you that today I would like to focus on very nice buying opportunities. Today I've been buying again for the whole portfolio again something because last week, no, in the beginning of the week, I sold off a big portion of my holdings, ranging from Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and so forth. And I raked in a decent profit of $300, which I would like to reinvest now for a new batch. And the new batch today is LTC, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, XTZ, and XLM. As you can see here, the latest coins I bought here. Anyway, I would like to focus now on ACOIN, Alchemy, and Alchemy is trading around 1.18, and I think that is a nice buying opportunity. Yesterday we were talking with elite traders as well, and I think that ACOIN is actually being traded on a KuCoin, if I'm right. So I'm going to KuCoin to buy some stuff, and if you take a look at the trading navigator, I would like to take a look at trade navigator. There's a buy arrow, 1.30 was a buying signal. However, the market is now a little bit lower with a stop loss below 1.17. It's a good and maybe interesting to take a look at a very nice buying opportunity. So I think that after a rally towards 1.60, it's trading around the breakout level again. The breakout level was 1, and the 60 cents we can add towards 130, so the target would be 190. So Polkadot, it is the next, not Polkadot, sorry, the Alchemy with ticker symbol ACOIN. That is the first one to watch, I think. And if you are looking forward to take a look for more information, go to our website and on our blog. There you see many articles also in very nice nice altcoins of the day, and also our findings of the crypto market, of course. Actually, tomorrow we will go to near Eindhoven for doing a presentation, day trading with the M2W system at Beursbox the best. And I would like also to point out to you that I would like to invite you for the Invitation Trading Asia Virtual Conference, 17 to 18 September of 2020. I'm also media partner of FAW, and I think it's very interesting because many people of the scene of the hot finance are speaking. So secure your pass and go to our website and go to fawtradingasia.nl for cryptoeconomy.nl. I wish you a very pleasant evening and very good luck. Hasta la vista. Bye bye.